Anybody see anything different here?
Half a glass of water. That's all I see.
There's the smart aleck answer of a glass that's too big for the purpose.
Yeah, the glass. Well, I see
That's
glass
funny.
again.
Anybody see a glass that's half empty?
Kathleen's got her hand up.
Okay, Kathleen.
I also see a container within the container, that the within where the water would be, that looks like there's another container within that.
It does. I've never seen that before, but it looks like a cup almost, or maybe even a lamp. Almost.
A lamp, a candle, you could create it to be something, whatever, but it's a container within a container.
Interesting.
Um,
That's a unique comment. I've never heard that one before. Thank you.
It could be a glass 100% full, and the top part that's in gold could be a cover on the glass.
Ah. Whoops, sorry. That touched the wrong one.
Yeah,
Sorry.
let's stick with one at a time. That's confusing enough in terms of the concepts and words that are coming out of the mouths of each unique person here on this call. Any other comments about this one? Those are really interesting comments.
I might have just one. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Perfect. I see a container with only half of the potential that it was made for.
Does that impact how the choices you make in your life? The action choices.
Yeah, because it's all based on the perception of the entity that it is. So for the ones that would say that I see, a glass half empty or a glass half full, basically it's the perception of what the entity was made for, right? So that's where I say it has half the potential that it was made for.
So you're getting into another one of the Buddhist Eightfold Path, which is right intention. What is the right intention if you're holding this glass, let's call it a glass, or you're holding maybe something else that you're perceiving? What is your intention? What do you want to do with this? Do you want to drink the water in it? You want to fill it up?